Hare Krishna. So we are discussing from the 38th verse of the 3rd chapter of Gita. Yesterday we have seen how Krishna has described that it is lust and unfulfilled lust that leads to anger or wrath. That is the all-devouring enemy of this material world. And both lust and anger are a product of mode of passion. In what ways is this lust covering a living entity is what Krishna explains in today's verse. He says, Dhumrena vriyate vahnir yatha darsho malena cha yatholbena vrito garbhas tatha tene damavritam. As fire is covered by smoke, as a mirror is covered by dust, or as the embryo is covered by the womb, the living entity is similarly covered by different degrees of lust. So भगवान यहाँ बता रहे हैं कि अलग अलग प्रकार के जीवों में किस प्रकार से काम जो है वो उस जीव को ज्यादा से ज्यादा जकड़ करके रखता है. The first example Krishna gives is धूम्रेन आव्रियते वह्नि. वह्नि अर्थात अग्नि, धूम्र अर्थात smoke. So whenever we see smoke, we know there is fire, because without fire there can't be smoke. But that fire is present in a very minuscule way. You have to really blow lot of air so that that fire can become more intense and the smoke can be taken out. So whenever there is smoke, very less quantity of fire is perceived. Ahead of that is mirror covered by dust. Mirror is there, yes. The quality of mirror to show a reflection is also perfect. But because it is covered with dust, you have to just wipe it off. Yes. And that wiping results in we being able to see our reflection perfectly. And the third example is embryo covered by womb. Yes. So embryo is there and it is covered inside a human being, yeah, or an animal in the form of womb. So we see Krishna is giving a detailed analysis of how different species of life are covered in different degrees of lust. We see 84 lakh species are there. Jalajanav lakshani sthavaram lakshavimshati krumayo rudra sankhya pakshinam dasha lakshanam trimsha lakshani pashavah chatur lakshani manava. Says aquatics are of 9 lakh different varieties. Trees, herbs, shrubs, plants are 20 lakh. Sthavara lakshavimshati. So we see even trees, birds, aquatics, human beings, all are living entities. But the way trees are covered with lust is they can exhibit minimum consciousness. सालों साल उसी जगह पे बिना हिले धूप गर्मी बारिश सब सहन करते रहेंगे. हम एक जगह पे 5 मिनट खड़े रह सकते हैं क्या शांति में सावधान होके? नहीं, हम हिलेंगे. We will exhibit our discomfort. But the way trees are, they can't even exhibit their discomfort to the extent कि अगर कोई लकड़हारा उस पेड़ को काटने आ रहा है तो वो पेड़ हिल भी नहीं सकता. Imagine the kind of entrapment that is there for the trees. So this is, the tree has consciousness. Anything that takes birth, growth, maintenance, byproducts, it dies. It has soul, and tree goes through all these things. But it does without making noise, without going anywhere else, just standing, no expressions at all. Maximum covering of lust, which is compared to dhumrena avrite vahani. Yes. So smoke or fire is covered by smoke. Very minimal perception of fire. The next is mirror that is covered by dust. This is compared to, except for the trees, all other species. Yes. So aquatics, birds, beasts, reptiles, they will not stay at one place. They will keep moving. They will make sounds. If they are being killed or they are being going through problems, they will shout. They will express. This expression is maximum. Yeah. So this is expression. They are better than trees. So that is compared to a mirror being covered by dust. And human species, yes, 4 lakh human species. Now you might be thinking, how come 4 lakh human species? I know only Homo sapiens sapiens. How come 4 lakh? So this 4 lakh is including demigods. Yes, देवताओं को मिला करके, and this gradation of consciousness species, this gradation of species is not based on body, it is based on consciousness. चेतना के आधार पर विभाजन है. तो चेतना के आधार पर हम देखेंगे, there are tribals who are living in jungles. There are worst tribals who are living in cities. Yes, practically in today's world, worst tribals are living in cities. There are demigods, Indra, Chandra, Varun, Vayu. They are also having body like us. So they are also human beings, but very, very elevated human beings. So culture elevates a human being. Yeah. So this is the maximum degree of express or the maximum freedom that lust has allowed. Yes. जहां पर हम सोच सकते हैं, सोच करके अपनी क्रियाओं को कर सकते हैं. इतने बड़े हाथी को भी मनुष्य उससे काम करवाता है. इतने बड़े सांड तक से मनुष्य काम करवाता है. निर्जीव मशीनों को मनुष्य बनाता है, उनसे काम करवाता है. तो मनुष्य के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा मेधा, बुद्धि, चेतना दी गई है जिससे वो प्रकृति का उपभोग कर सके. In one sense, all these different species or all these different bodies, they are like chains. Yes. Ultimately, आप अगर जेल के अंदर बंद हैं, तो कैसे भी बंद हो, आप बेसिकली जेल के अंदर हैं. जेल के अंदर बांधने वाली सलाखें चाहे सोने की हो या लोहे की, वो आपको बांध ही रही हैं. केवल सोने की सलाखें मतलब क्या है? मनुष्य जन्म. अरे सोने की सलाखें, अरे लेकिन कर क्या रही हैं? बांध दे रही हैं. अगर जेल से बाहर निकलना है तो इन सोने की सलाखों के प्रति जो आसक्ति है उसे बंद करना पड़ेगा. अगर मैं सोचूंगा मुझे बाहर जाना है और बाहर जाकर जाते जाते मुझे सोना भी लेके जाना है, तो सोना तो कभी निकलेगा नहीं वहां से, हम अंदर रह जाएंगे. यस, सो दैट्स व्हाई अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट human form of life is the maximum concession that material nature has given us. It is a best time to get out of the clutches of material world, because in tree or animal species or in reptiles or bird species, usually responses to any stimuli are like robotics. Yes, they are factory fed. Independent सोच नहीं है. गाय मर भी रही होगी तो मांस नहीं खाएगी, शेर मर भी रहा होगा तो घास नहीं खाएगा. हम अच्छे से जी रहे होंगे, हम दोनों खाएंगे. यस, ये हमारी स्थिति है. वी आर नाइसली लिविंग, सो ओनली वी आर गिवन अ चांस टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर वेदास. दैट्स व्हाई वेरी एम्फेटिकली शास्त्र से अथा तो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा, मनुष्य जन्म पाया है, मिनिमम कवरिंग है काम का, निकल जाओ. क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली काम और क्रोध ये दोनों ही हैं जो सबसे बड़े शत्रु हैं. और इसके लिए सबसे बढ़िया उपाय या व्हीकल है मनुष्य जन्म. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हरे कृष्ण.